Hello you guys and welcome back for another video. So today I'm bringing you another look for this Valentine's Day. So I don't know if this is something that you guys are interested in. And if you are, make sure you guys stay tuned. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jasmine. So you probably guys have already been subscribed to my channel and you probably have been following me throughout this journey. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking out with me and showing all the love and support. So today I already did this left side, so I'm going to go ahead and do the right side so that way we can make this video more easy. And I'm going to be showing you guys throughout the video the palettes that I'm going to be using for my eyes. So once again, you guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as soon as we're done. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, so we have come to the end of this makeup tutorial. I really do hope you guys enjoy these, and once again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys really soon for our next video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.